So a question is that a red star having radius I r at temperature Tr, and a white star having radius Rw at temperature Tw. So there is one red star and there is white star, and their corresponding temperature and radius are given. Radiate same total power radiates. If these stars radiate as perfect black body, then we have to choose the right combination of radius and temperature. Okay, so let us solve this problem. So to solve this problem, yeah, so it's suppose this is a suppose this is a star, red star. So let me make with the color red color. Suppose this is a red star and another is a white star. So this is a white star. So its radius is Rw and its radius is R red. Its temperature is Tr, its temperature is Tw. Okay, so if these are the perfect black body, then the rate of emission of energy we know will be proportional to T to the power 4. So this is the new Stephen's law. Heat the radiation law. So E is proportional to E, which where E will be proportional to T to the power 4. Yeah. So now, so this is the rate of the energy at which they are producing, but here is asked the total power. So they are asking for the total power. So how we will do this? So yeah, this is, you can say, this is the energy density. So T to the power 4. So the total power will be equal to, suppose PR will be equal to suppose this is equal to H equals to sigma T to the power 4. Okay, so in that case PR, so this is the energy per unit area per unit time. So this is the energy per unit area per unit time crossing this surface. Okay, so if you are asked to calculate the power, then it will be equal to the total surface area S into T to the power 4 and sigma. So this will be TR, this will be SR. Similarly, for white star you will write SW TW4 sigma. Sigma is independent. Sigma is the emissivity. So proportionality constant which is fixed for the black body. Okay. So we will take. So we will take. Yeah. So both are the emitting same power. In that case, we will, the ratio of these two will be equal to 1. In that case, where SR is the surface area of the star, so that will be equal to 4 pi RR square T to the power 4 sigma equals to 4 pi RW square T to the power 4 sigma. So this is equal to RW. So this is W, sorry, and this is equal to TW by TR, the power 4. Yeah, this is power 4 and this is power square. Okay, So question is saying that so we have four options. First option is R of red star is greater than the R of white star, and TR is greater than TW. So notice that if this is greater than 1, if this is greater than 1, then this is satisfied. Okay, but if this is greater than 1, in that case TW will be greater than TR. So this is not satisfied. So first option is wrong. Similarly, we will see for the B option. So B option says TR is smaller than RW. So radius of red star is less than radius of the white star, and TR is greater than TW. So if it is less than 1, so if it is less than 1, in that case the first condition is satisfied, but not the second condition, because if this is less than 1, then TW will be less than TR, but it is not satisfied by that. Yeah, it is satisfied, sorry. Yeah, we have opposite sign here, so this is satisfied. So the option B seems to be correct. Okay, so yeah, option B is correct. Now let us see for the C option. R radius of red star is greater than the radius of white star, and radius temperature of T is less than temperature of TW. So here we see that, so if this is greater than 1, so suppose this is greater than 1, in that case the first option will be true. First option will be true, sorry, this is true. Okay, but the second but in that case, but if this is greater than 1, then the TW will be greater than TR, so this is also true. C option seems to be true. Now let us see for D option. R of red star is less than R of W, and T R is less than TW. So if again if this is less than 1, in that case this is true, but this is wrong. Okay, so here we see that two options seems to be correct, B and C. B and C seems to be correct. Why? Because of this equation. Thank you.